Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Like this video, that's the only way to keep me motivated making these videos. Everything that I do on this channel, everything that I share for free. So yeah, if you're looking to download forex robots, indicators, books and stuff like that, there are links in the description box below. Visit those links and see if you cannot find what you're looking for. People also always ask me about the brokers that I use. Their links are in the description box below. So in this video, I'm just showing you how easy it can be if you just understand how I trade. You can watch the previous videos if you just want to understand how I trade boom and crash, which in my opinion is the easiest way any person can trade boom and crash. And you can see what I have there. And also this video also tackles a question that I was once asked on one of the videos. Somebody said, if you're so confident with your strategy, how come you are always showing you that you are in a single position? Which is not true. I'm not always in a single position. There are opportunities where I definitely know that the odds are in my favor. So when it's trading, it's not about just blindly taking trades, blindly risking your account. You need to understand situations when you stand a chance of making money, and you also need to understand where situations where you might actually be just taking random risks. So like in this trade that I am in, I could definitely, you can see why I took the trade. If you don't understand, just go through the channel. You'll find the videos of me showing how I trade boom and crash, the easiest simple way to trade boom and crash, and you understand why I took the trades when I did. So there are opportunities where definitely I can see that the odds are in my favor, so I can go in with several trades. And then there are situations where I'm not exactly confident about what might happen, so I definitely have to limit my exposure to the market. So yes, you can take multiple trades, especially if you have grown your equity and if you have a strategy that's working in your favor, and you can definitely see that the conditions are favoring you, the conditions are favoring your strategy, then you can definitely open multiple positions and hopefully you make lots of money. So that's basically what's happening in this video. So just to answer your questions, don't just blindly take multiple trades. Wait for the optimal conditions. Wait for definitely when you know that the stars have aligned in your favor, then you press that trigger. Don't just go blindly in. That's how people blow their accounts. Okay. If you have any more questions about how I trade, if you have any questions about trading boom and crash, about trading volatility 75, I don't know what you're trading, NAS 100, US 30, leave them in the comment section below. I enjoy reading your comments. Let's watch the video. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Until next time, bye.